Yeah, these El Caminos are few and far between, but I love them. Look under the hood. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Wow. Take that in. Again, we're by the music. Sorry about that. 1969 Cutlass. You're all huddled under the shade. One tree, right? Always car shows. The shade is premium. 396, 1966 Chevelle. Under the hood. It's a 4-speed car. Let's go around the back. Parked next to a GTO. Nice. Let's look inside. A lot of 4-speed cars here. Everybody the speaker. Dry power. It's cheaper. 1955. Got a Camaro. 65 Corvette. Oh, here's Jim's car. Blown heavy. Or blown heavy. Excuse me. Oh my god, I'll be put in stuff in the comments. Blown or stoles. There's his other car. Let's go down here. There's no Camino with planes. Really nice Ford truck. Look under the hood of it. Look inside. Wow, beautiful paint. How about that? Cruise the whole family in that. Look inside. Again, we're close to the speaker, sorry. Pontiac Le Mans Sport. Green, remember that color? Oh no, it's brown. Brown green? Yeah, it's brown. I had a T37. It looked like that. Chevelle, very good looking car. Look at this. Whoa. Isn't that nice? Cadillac seats. Fuzzy dad, dice. How about this race Pinto right here? Look under the hood. Check that out. We did a story on this once too. You can find that on our YouTube page. YouTube channel, I should say. Corvette. 1970 Chevelle. Hey, green interior. Here's Frank's hot rod. Oh, and you know this car too. This is a street rod. And you've got the thing that. Can't go without that. Then we got this here. It's a Grand National. Let's look under the hood. It's turbo there. 1987. T-tops. Look inside there. Got that cool symbol right there. T-tops out here. Got some extra gauges. Wow. Really clean paint. Look down the side of this. It's really nice. Get that cool right there. We got a Pontiac GTO right here. Red lines on there. Like people say, you got the memo. Tri-power car. 1966. Beautiful red interior. Very nice. Wow.